CCTV Lawan Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ke Batamai jangka Tata Motors Halat ko ni Shillong Ringkat baka net foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramani Hakir dob yeng jongpi
Ka jing peninam bat ka jing dia pat ba ya ki Tiar snakti kabala ship house ni kabala long ha All Saints Hall Shillong ya kabala Krishan jingiram da ka office jong Development Commissioner Handicrafts ka Ministry of Textiles jong ka Sarkar India ya kabala pelong da ka RT Hash Kala Welfare Federation kala sedang naduk si Tarik Iaiong arajar arpuar bala Pynjlan haduk ka Katway Tarik Iaiong arajar arpuar ki noshna Tiar kti na ki jila per jong ni kathan chatai lammi ngi bat na ki weki benta jong keri kilawanra ya ki Tiar ban pin inam bat ban de pat ba hak ni ka yau tamasa ka long hanong ba Shillong ka jing pin long ni ka yau delang talong ban pelilat ki noshna Tiar ba kin penya yau ki Tiar gitar ba kilashna bat na kaliang jogi bor penya kila khot bat weru ki pat ba ban wan sakhi hi dala ki jong ki khmat ya kini ki Tiar balashna de ki noshna Tiar ki betbet bat ban thiet ru ya kini ki Tiar kum ka jing Krishan ya kini ki noshna jingshna khnang bakan long kum ka jing pen shlor ya ki
Hello, myself Khushbu Rabha. I'm Handicraft Promotion Officer. Right now officer on duty for the exhibition. I would like to call everyone and invite for this exhibition which we are having for 10 days, which have started from 1st of April and it will last till 11th of April. And in this exhibition, this was mainly done to give a platform to the artisans who have suffered due to COVID and due to pandemic. They have suffered, and as they are hand-to-mouth people, so this is a platform provided by DC Handicrafts Office, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, so where they can sell their product. Nothing is charged from them. They are the registered artisans and they have come from all over the northeast. Also there are artisans from West Bengal, producer company who produces sari. There are artisans from Manipur, from Assam, and we also have our own artisans from Nagaland, then Meghalaya. And this is also an appeal. I invite everyone, come support the artisans, buy from them, and I'm sure they are much lesser rate what is available in the market, and you will get a very good rate and you will directly buy from them, so it will benefit them. So thank you very much. Please do come support the artisans of handicraft.
Mungkin kita ikut exhibition komsil yang si penlong borabori manlau senam dan arsi laisin senam kini kita exhibition ni penlong borakoi dari India ke mentah kawan ini ane kadai belas sponsor nak office kecungi office tunggu development council handicraft ane kini ginong di kini kibaya senahi kini ki artisan kibaya senahi di warna neno north east Assam Manipur dan West Bengal ru di bayawan ane kiba don batah ne don ki lokal ru ane te kicindi ane kilong wapit mengi te kide kiba kedor kabit namar ba ane kam don middleman lah bono ki kinong sena te kerpat ki publik ki pajba kiba don hang ne Shillong le se ki turis ki balak banwan nabar ki yo i kane ka yo kecungi kin subha banyawan banya rap lem ban khit gini ki Tiar banya rap gini ki nong sna ke ki khambun ki dei tam nang ne Meghalaya bun ki ban nong pendong hi gawan kilong ying kilong sendi odok tekan bah ada piawan banya rap lem ki ka banya khit gini ki mar ki temi teng dadon sibun ko office ki chungi ka don hang ne Shillong ne chan luar simir te dadon mono ru ki ba kwa cintip sinsu ki la man sendu ini untuk kublai sibun